Hi friends, welcome to my channel Needle Art House. Today we will learn regular kurti cutting with body measurements. We have learned the sleeve cutting method previously. We have kept the backside neck packed in this kurti. In the body measurements, the length is 40 inches, shoulder is 15 inches, chest is 36 inches, waist is 32 inches, seat is 40 inches, and the height of cut is 21 inches. Now let's start drafting. So first we'll mark the shoulder measurement. If the shoulder measurement is 15 inches in the body measurements, then in drafting we will take half of the shoulder, which is 7.5 inches, and add 0.5 inches for stitching. So our shoulder measurement will be 8 inches. Next, we will measure the neck width. For that, we will take 1/12 of the chest measurement. So 36 inches divided by 12 is 3 inches, and we will mark that. Then we will make a cross at 0.5 inches. If it's a back neck or a collar neck, then we will make two crosses like this, one at 0.5 inches and another cross parallel to it below. Subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos and hit the bell icon to never miss any video. Now we will measure the armhole. For that, take the chest measurement, divide it by 4 and then minus 2 inches. So the armhole will come out to 7 inches. Usually, everyone have different armhole according to people's shoulder and chest measurements. In this kurti, the regular armhole measurement is 7 inches, but it can also be 7.25 inches because the armhole is measured in a round shape like this. We saw earlier in the sleeve as well that the armhole round is measured according to the sleeve width. For example, if the total armhole round is 17 inches, then this part should be 8.5 inches. This is how the sleeve is cut for perfect measurement. After the armhole, we will take the chest measurement. For that, take 1/4 of the chest and add 2 inches to it, in which 1.5 inches is for the armhole round and 0.5 inches is for stitching. So now we have our chest measurement 11 inches. Just like we saw in the previous armhole video, we will take the armhole round in the same way. This 1.5 inches is for stitching. Now we will draw the armhole round. For that, take the midpoint here and curve it like this, which will be for the back side. Back and front side curves are marked different. For the front side, from lower take 1 inch, from the middle side take 0.5 inches, and from the top also keep 0.5 inches and curve it as shown. After making both curves, the chest and armhole have been drawn here. Now if the armhole round is 17 inches, then by measuring like this, it comes to 8.5 inches, so the armhole round has been drawn perfectly. Once place the sleeve like this and check that the curves on the back side of both the sleeve and the kurti match properly. As we saw earlier, this is 7 inches. If there is any variation in the sleeve, you can take 7.25 inches. According to the body measurements, if we measure 7 to 8 inches down from the chest measurement like this, then that will be our waist measurement. In body measurements, if the height of cut is 21 inches, so that's where our seat measurement will be. Now, to mark the waist, take 1/4 of the waist measurement and add 2 inches to it, so the total waist measurement will be 10 inches. Finally, for the seat measurement, take 1/4 of the seat and add 1 inch to it, because this is where the cut will be. This is the margin point. If there is a big difference between the chest and waist, you can take tucks on the back side. Normally, for a regular kurti, we join from the chest to the waist to the seat like this. But to give tucks on the back side, we will mark 0.5 inches from the waist and curve it. So this is where our tucks will be. Right now we have seen how to cut a kurti with a regular neck. For now, we have learned how to cut a pack neck kurti. If it's a low neck, then the measurement of the shoulder and armhole becomes less. For example, for a regular neck, you can reduce it by up to 2 inches. But if the back neck is very deep, then both the shoulders and the armhole become smaller. Because of this, there are no changes in the sleeves. For example, if the kurti is size 36, the sleeve will remain the same size. The shoulder and armhole depend on the back side of the neck, so that's where the variations come in. Finally, let's learn where to place the tucks. From the top, mark down 9 inches, and there should be a 7-inch gap between both tucks. Since this is the fold side, we'll mark 3.5 inches. The length of the tucks usually ranges from 9 to 10 inches, depending on the person's height. Just keep in mind that the tucks should be above the height of cut, not at the same level or below it. The tucks should be taken up to 0.5 inches, and both the top and bottom should be pointed like this. You will find alternative links related to this video in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you.